I am here at Target to pick up my order. Whoo child. So I ended up having to go to Kroger because Target did not have my full order. I ordered some ice cream, cupcakes, and just things to make cupcakes with. Like I got some a new cupcake pan because mine looks kind of wonky and I've been meaning to replace it for a while now, and I was just gonna go ahead and do it since I'm making cupcakes. But they did not I got real loud. They did not have my they didn't have the icing I wanted or the sprinkles. I'm not a big fan of sprinkles, but I just wanted to do the most and decorate my cake just for funsies. So I'm going to end up making a cake instead of cupcakes, and I'll just have those extra cupcake pan for all the holiday baking that's about to begin. But yeah, I ended up getting a lot of other stuff that I did not need to get in Kroger. That's why I don't like going into stores. I got some sprinkles. I needed some dish soap, so I got some, and then I got some like sugar sprinkles, which I hate when things have that that texture to them. We'll see. I might just save those for some cupcakes I do later on because they're orange, but orange is still kind of a harvest Thanksgiving kind of a deal. I think burnt oranges, but I have bright orange. And I got some, this is the bright orange I was telling you about. And then I got some whipped, I don't know if this is whipped icing, but it's like easy cupcake icing, which is yay, because I cannot for like, I don't know, I just cannot. I have the, I don't know what you call it, the bag, the icing bag, but I just cannot get it out. So yeah, so right now I'm just waiting to pick up my bags at Target, and then I'm going to head on back to the house and finish up some work. They're already blowing up my phone for work, so yeah, but I have my icing stuff. I have the stuff to do what I want to do tonight. Here he comes now. I see my bread, and then I'm going to get some sushi later with Alex. We're just going to get it to eat at home and watch some Halloween movies. But let me go ahead and open up my door for the Target lady. Alright, I got all my stuff with me. There's more on the floor, and I'm headed home. I'm starving, so I'm going to have lunch first and just relax for a minute, because it's like one of those days where you think you don't have a lot to do, but then when you look back at the day, you did so much. And that's what it's like for me at work today. It's like I feel like I don't have a lot to do because I start off the day with an empty agenda, and now like things keep piling on. I still haven't even done my volunteer work, so yeah, I might just save that for tomorrow because it's already 4 o'clock and I'm just kind of over it. So like, I'm over everything. I just want to eat something, and it's already 4, so I'm not gonna even really want my sushi or ramen tonight. I don't know, maybe we'll have a late dinner, maybe like eat dinner at like 8 o'clock. I don't know. Hey Max. You want to go out? What about you, Roxy? Yeah. Want to go out? Yeah. Yes, okay. You want to go, Rocky? Come on.
You want it?
I don't know, my phone is, oh, it's my phone in my hand. You ready, Max? You ready, Cece? You ready, Rocky? Looking for my fanny pack. You ready? Yeah, Max. Yes, Cece. Yes. Okay. You in prison, Max. So windy. We are at the reservoir on a Saturday because the weather is cool. Where's Max? There he is. And I have a few things planned today. I want to get some flowers and just do general things to clean up the balcony so it feels like fall. I'm trying to walk with all my might. I sprained my foot 2 weeks ago, and I probably shouldn't be out here, but I just wanted to enjoy the weather. You see how the wind's blowing? So, yeah. I know I'm getting some moms for the balcony. We need to get some more grass. And I'm either going to make chili tonight or tomorrow. I kind of want sushi. I've been wanting sushi for days. So I think that's what I'm going to do tonight. And I needed to get some crafts from Michael's or Joann's. And I'm off for the next few days. So we're just going to see what activities I can do. That's all I'm going to go there. Why are they speeding? Do they not understand? They kept going fast.
Yeah, they were like dead off too.
Max, you tangled. You see, those ducks are gonna get you. They're moving away. Max, don't go into the street. Come back. Come on. Come on, Max. Hey, Rocky. Hey, Bubba. This wind is insane. Roxy keeps barking for some reason because I'm sitting down. I'm taking a break because my foot hurts. Max keeps trying to walk into the road. Where is he? And Cece, I don't think she feels her best today. And the man is making noise too. Where is he? Actually, he went away.
While some teams are starting to pull ahead, others are falling behind. Dr. Conteka, Katrina's sitting outside by herself.
Karyn to do this event early for what? For people to go
No.
4 or 5 hours.
Go back.
This isn't the first time Johnny's had a run-in with the DNR.
Okay, I want to get some different hanging plants too because these look so pretty. But I'm gonna stick to what I came for, which are moms. But these are pretty too. This is so hard. I always end up spending way too much money when I come here. This is what I have. Try not to spend a bunch. This is 14, 12, 12. And I don't know if I should maybe just make a little section on the balcony where I have like 3 of these. Or if I should get more and line them across the balcony. But my balcony is really big, so I don't know. That's gonna get expensive. Hey, Roxy. Hey, Max. Max. Cece. Cece. Hey. Okay. So I am back home. I look tired because I am. I'm back home. It's been such a long day. I know, Cece. It's been such a long day. And I thought I was going to go out, get what I needed, come back and decorate my balcony, decorate the pumpkins, yada yada. No, it is, I think it's only 7:30, but it's dark outside. I need a shower. I'm tired. So I'm going to call it a night and I'm going to decorate my balcony tomorrow. I'm going to do the pumpkins tomorrow. I'm really excited. I'm not a big fan of the flowers I got. You'll see them tomorrow because I don't feel like going to get them. But yeah, I'm not a big fan. They kind of look like carnations. Is that what you, is that a type of like bouquet? Like they look like funeral flowers and I don't really like them. I got them to stuff into the pumpkins. I didn't realize I bought $35 worth of flowers. I bought 3 bouquets, but I thought they were like on sale and I don't even like them. And I was gonna take them back in, but I just kept them and we'll just see how that goes. But yeah. You okay, Rock? I feel like I look beat down a little bit. So I'm gonna go do my hair. This wig, I found this wig, like I wore this wig. It's synthetic. I think it's Bobby Boss. I can't remember. But I wore it like all summer long. And then I tossed it in my drawer and then I found it. Like I was just looking through my drawer, my hair drawer, and yeah, it is busted. It's time to say goodbye. Like you can't, yeah. So I feel like kind of like an old woman with this on, like a woman who is trying to get her life together, but she can't quite get there. That's what I feel like. So anyway, I'm gonna wash my hair tonight so I can actually thrive tomorrow. And yeah, then I'm gonna be able to decorate my home, make it feel more harvesty as we approach Halloween. Just more warm, cozy, and just a little bit more spooky. So that's gonna be my Sunday vlog. So hopefully you check it out. It will hopefully be a lot more festive than this one. This one was just kind of like the preparations for the festivities. I want to bake a cake and everything tonight, but I'm just beat. So I'm gonna just relax tonight so I don't wear myself out. And I'm just looking forward to sprucing up and just getting in the mood of Halloween tomorrow. Maxie, what's wrong? Max is crying. What's up? I also need to clean my room because it is a whole mess. I'm not sure if that's ever going to happen, honestly. I started cleaning yesterday and it was kind of one of those situations where you get all the junk like out of your drawers and you organize your drawers and stuff and then your room just looks crazy. So that's where I am now. We'll get there eventually. It's hard to stay on top of things with a sprained foot, so I'm using that as my excuse. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed spending the day with me. Yes, Cece. Yeah. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Cece. Cece. Shh. No. Stop. Stop it. You stop being like